What is a Schedule K-1? Well, a Schedule K-1 reports income from past three entities, which are partnerships, S corporations, estate trust, and LLCs. So, if you are a member of any of these, you will probably get a K-1. Some brokerages may also send one of the certain investments. If you get a K-1, you have to report it on your personal tax return. Well, you might not get yours until March or April, or even later, because the entity has to complete their returns before distributing any K-1s. If you haven't filed, you can easily enter your K-1 in TurboTax. You can search for K-1, select the link, and answer the questions. And if you have already filed, you will need to amend your return to add the K-1. So this is the end of the video. If you want to gain more information, you can simply go ahead and visit turbotax.com/support and you'll be good to go. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.